Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make notifications reappear back on your lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy or other Samsung phones if for some reason they've disappeared. However, it also works the opposite way too, that if you want to hide text messages on your lock screen, I will also show you guys how to do that as well. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by just swiping up on our home screen. And then you want to select the setting gear button here. And then scroll down just a little bit and there should be an item that says display and touch. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath lock display, go ahead and select the lock screen button. So if you want to go about adjusting the notification settings, look at the top option here. It says privacy. Go ahead and click on that. So if you want to show all notification content, you can select the first option. Otherwise, you can disable it by not showing notifications at all. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And once you're done, just click out of there and it should save your change right here. So like I said, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.